Hello students, I am Dr. D.S. Veena, Associate Professor in the Department of Basic Science and Humanities, B.V. Raju Institute of Technology, Narsapur. Course name Linear Algebra and Calculus. Topic name Linear Differential Equations. Today we are discussing about the linear differential equations of first order. An equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q is said to be linear differential equation of first order in y. An equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are functions of x is said to be linear differential equation of first order in y. So an equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are functions of x, is said to be linear differential equation of first order in y. So how to solve this problem? So first step 1, we should make the coefficient of dy by dx as 1. Yes. Step 2, you should find the integrating factor, that is e to power of integration p dx. This is the integrating factor. Step 3, you should find the solution. Solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integration q into integrating factor into dx plus c. Okay, so y into integrating factor is q into integrating factor dx plus c. Remember here dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Dy by dx and y are of degree 1, so it is called linear differential equation. Okay, so now we have one more form, that is an equation of the form dx by dy plus px is equal to q, where p and q are functions of y. Functions of y is said to be linear differential equation of first order in x. To solve this linear differential equation, you have to follow these steps. Step 1, we should make the coefficient of dx by dy as 1. Step 2, you should find the integrating factor as e to power integration p dy is p dy. Step 3, solution. We have to find the solution. The solution is x into integrating factor is equal to integration q into integrating factor dy plus c. Okay, so this is the solution. X into integrating factor is integration q into integrating factor dy plus c. So let us do some problems. Let us take an example. Example 1. Solve x dy by dx plus y is equal to log x. Now see here, it is linear in y, dy by dx, it is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are functions of x. Now, first step is you should make the coefficient of dy by dx as 1. To make it coefficient of dy by dx as 1, we have to divide throughout by x. So, consider this equation. Consider x dy by dx plus y is equal to log x. Take this equation as 1. Dividing equation 1 by x throughout. What do you get? Dy by dx plus y by x is equal to log x by x. Now it is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are nothing but function of x. P is nothing but 1 by x, it is function, and q is nothing but log x by x, it is function of x. So it is linear, it is linear in y. So we have to find what is p and q. What is p here? 1 by x. What is q here? Log x by x. So we have to find the integrating factor is equal to e to power of integration p dx. You know that what is p? 1 by x. E to power integration dx by x is equal to e to power of, what is integration of dx by x is nothing but log x. So you get e to power log x is nothing but x. So this is the integrating factor. Now we have to find the solution. The general solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integration q into integrating factor into dx plus c. So what do you get here? Y into integration factor is nothing but x is equal to integration. What is q? Log x by x into x dx plus c. Now x and x get cancelled. So what do you get? Xy is equal to integration log x dx plus c. So xy is equal to, how to integrate this? We can write it as 1 into log x dx plus c. So you can integrate it by parts using integration uv rule. Integration uv is equal to u integration v minus double integration v du, where u and v are functions of x. So xy is equal to, consider u as 1 and v as log x. So you can write it as 1 into integration, so log x, this is u and this is v and this is u. So log x integration dx minus double integration of x, double integration dx into integration of, so what do you get here? Xy is equal to log x, integration of 1 is nothing but x minus integration of 1 integration as it is, integration of x, differentiation of log x is nothing but 1 by x dx plus c. So this x and x get cancelled. So you get xy is equal to x log x minus integration of dx is nothing but x plus c. So you get xy is equal to x log x minus x plus c. So this is the answer. So let us go to next problem. Solve second problem. Solve x plus 2y cube dy by dx is equal to y. Now this you can solve it. So this you can write this as cross multiply dx. We can write it as x plus 2y cube is equal to y into dx by dy. So since it is dx by dy, we require next term as x. So we can write this as, it can be written as y dx by dy minus x is equal to 2y cube. So it is to write in the form of dx by dy plus p x is equal to q. So we have to make the coefficient of dx by dy as 1. So dividing throughout by y. So what do you get? Dx by dy minus x by y is equal to 2y square. So it is of the form dx by dy plus px is equal to q, where p and q are functions of y. So here p and q are nothing but functions of y. So it is linear in x. So first step, you should make the coefficient of dx by dy as 1. So it is already coefficient of dx by dy is 1. So what is the comparing? What is p? P is nothing but coefficient of x, that is minus 1 by y. What is q? RHS part, right hand side, 2y square. So next step is you should find the integrating factor. What is the integrating factor here? E to power of integration p d y. So what do you get? E to power minus dy by y integration. So e to power of minus, what is integration of dy by y? Is nothing but log y. So we can write this as e to power log 1 by y using the laws of log. So what do you get? E to power of log 1 by y is nothing but 1 by y. So integrating factor is here 1 by y. So you should find solution. Solution is nothing but x into integrating factor is equal to integration q into integrating factor dy plus c. So what do you get here? X into integration factor is 1 by y is equal to integrating factor, what is q? 2y square into 1 by y into dy plus c. So x by y is equal to 1y get cancelled here. 1y get cancelled here. So what do you get here? Integration 2 is constant, take it outside, y dy plus c. X by y is equal to 2y square by 2 plus c. So 2 get cancelled. What do you get? Multiplying throughout by y, what do you get? X is equal to y cube plus c y. So this is the answer. So this is what you studied, linear differential equation. In next class we will study Bernoulli's differential equation, Bernoulli's equation. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.